G, G, the seventh letter of the alphabet. Die sewende letter van die alfabet. Game, spel. The boys are playing a game. Die seuns speel 'n spel. Garage, motorhuis. We keep the car in the garage. Ons hou die motor in die motorhuis. Garden, tuin. We have flowers in the garden. Ons het blomme in die tuin. Gas, gas. Many people cook with gas. Baie mense kook met gas. Gay, vrolik. Tessa likes gay, bright colors. Tessa hou van vrolike, helder klere. Jan is in a gay mood. Jan is in 'n vrolike bui. Gate, hek. The gate has been left open. Die hek is oopgelaat. Get, kry, gaan haal, word. Where did you get that? Waar het jy dit gekry? Hendrik got a letter. Hendrik het 'n brief gekry. Judy will get the cakes. Judy sal die koekies gaan haal. I hope you get well soon. Ek hoop jy word gou gesond. Giant, reus. The boy met a huge giant. Die seun het 'n eislike reus ontmoet. The giant was a very big man. Die reus was 'n baie groot man. Gift, geskenk. Santa Claus gave me a gift. Sinterklaas het my 'n geskenk gegee. Girl, Macy. Jane is a girl. Jane is a Macy. Give, gee. Father gives the children pocket money every week. Pa gee die kinders elke week sakgeld. Glad, bly. The dog is glad to see its master. Die hond is bly om sy baas te sien.